Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use the Analysis agent in Copilot. Now the Microsoft Copilot Analysis agent is an AI powered assistant for data analysis. The Analysis agent is like having a skilled data analyst on hand to help you make sense of data quickly without requiring advanced expertise. Now why do we need to use it? It saves time and you don't have to be a data analyst to actually understand or comprehend the data between your head, and it is easy to read reports. So you'll get a report based on your question in easy to read language and formatting that surfaces insights and can include visuals like charts and tables. Now where to find it? Simply just log in into Microsoft 365, or you can go to here, so search for it, Microsoft 365, let me just search for it like that, Copilot, and it should be in this area. Let me just open it real quick. Reload app. The app is not working for some reason. Alright, it should be right below here, and in case you had the premium version, it will have it right below here in this area or in the app section. So you can just use a search for it in here, or literally just find it in this tab. Now, as you can see here, you simply have it right under Agent in Analyst. Now, how to use Analyst? Open Microsoft 365 Copilot, under Agent in the left navigation pane, select Analyst. Enter a question about the data you want to analyze. Well, for example here, what are the trends, etc, etc. As you can see here in the uploaded file, and you need to of course attach a file. So click on the plus button here, icon, and then select attach content to supply the file that's the data you want to analyze. You will see a list of suggestions, but you can also search for a file. Additionally, you can upload one or more files from your device, or attach content from the cloud by selecting the upload or OneDrive icon next to the search button. And simply all that is left for you to do is to write prompts. It's literally just like using ChatGPT but in Copilot. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.